In this example, the PC operating system we're working on cannot be turned on. This might be due to a series of viruses, corrupted operating system, or any number of software glitches. Whatever the software problems may be, the prognosis is that the computer cannot be turned on. In this case, I insert the boot CD into my PC. The computer will turn on through the CD operating system and connect to the internet. In order to activate my Reimage account, I open Internet Explorer to www.reimage.com. There I enter my username and password. Reimage takes me directly to its service website. I allow ActiveX to download prior to repair. Reimage is now working. First it analyzes, then it fixes. All technical information regarding current repair appear on the screens shown below. After finishing, I reboot the system. As we can see, the same computer whose operating system could not be turned on is now functioning without any problems. Good luck with your repairs.